Okay, I'm speed running this video. I just want to get it out there. I took two trades today. One break even, one loss, both on Nasdaq. The break even trade was great. The short, not so great. Um, Going into the day, I was kind of open to longs or shorts. Uh, I have not taken a trade in the last 2 days just because price has been kind of fucking nuts. Like it's just pumping, leaving sell side. I'm not a fan. It's NFP week, so conditions aren't the best, and that kind of is what happened today. So we had red folder news at 11, and we had SMT in London, so I either wanted to see this SMT hold, and NQ and ES had this gorgeous buy model. ES, the highs in here were just beautiful. Anyway, kind of sound like shit. I apologize. Um, so yeah, I don't trade before red folder. I don't trade pre-market. I've just been trading the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. It's kind of like my bread and butter now. And we had taken the highs before the red folder news, so automatically was already a low probability day. And I think I was pretty antsy to take a trade today. Because if I had a winning day today, I could have requested up to 3 payouts across my top sub accounts. And I'm not familiar enough with payouts. I still have pressure on me, even though I tried to dispel it. In the back of my head, I was like, oh man, like, you get that payout today, like, whatever, right? Um, Not really an excuse, but I was in a busy area today when I was trading, and I think it kind of hyped up my adrenaline. Like I said, not an excuse. I'm still holding myself accountable, but I think next time I trade at school, I'm gonna find a nice quiet area. Maybe actually go to like the library. Anyway, so it was either we take this low and rebalance the daily fair value gap before heading higher, or head lower towards the uh, new daily opening gap from Sunday or Monday, whatever. It's irrelevant now. Yeah, so we pump, take these highs, and if I'm trading the continuation candle, it's like C3, and like a reversal sequence buy model, whatever the fuck the nerds call it, right? It's like I will either catch the reversal from like a higher time frame point of interest, like around here. Let's say this is New York, or if New York is expanding, I will typically look for a retracement to a 15-minute gap. And yeah, so we didn't clear these lows, so private daily gap now. Anyway, that being said, YM and Russell were like super fucking weak today, and so even though I was still relatively bullish after we took these highs, like if I wanted to go short, I wanted to see like a good reason to go short. And they were super bearish, but NQ was holding up. It was strong, and by the okay, my cat wants to say hi. Hi, mate. Um, okay, you're interrupting. Um, by the time I was long Nasdaq, Russell and YM had hit discount, and the 15-minute gap was still holding. Okay, get your butt on my face. All right, calm down. Anyway, I apologize about that. So, 15-minute gap was holding. NQ super strong. I was bearish on all of their indices, especially ES was starting to break down, and I'd actually missed my entry on ES short. Sorry, someone's in the kitchen. Anyway, um, we had multiple SMTs here, 50 minutes still holding. It's like the fifth time I've said that. There's a 1 minute breaker right here. So we displace above. Retest, I get in the second we take these highs and SMT forms. ES is still really weak. I'm going break even. This is after news. This is after we've taken the highs. Conditions are kind of poor. Yeah, I was playing it safe. I went break even. And then I guess there was Nvidia news, and it created that scam wick that took like everyone and their mothers out. I guess everyone was in the exact same long. So I should have left it at that. And what did I do? I flip flopped my bias to short because I was still open in the back of my mind. I was still open to shorts, and so this is displacement above. SMT was holding. I think by this point ES had closed below the 15-minute gap, and we had equal lows below, plus all that sell side from previous 2 days. And it's not like I was trying to force a reversal. Yeah, so I should have zoomed out. I should have realized I was stuck on the 1 minute. I was just I was too locked in. My heart was racing, and I should have just taken a step back and realized, Corbin, you're so close to getting that payout. You just need one more winning day. Like, wait for NFP. And it's not like I'm gonna be too hard on myself. I lost $200, and my risk is like usually 250. So it was like a semi smaller loss. It still sucks, and I gotta be careful because I didn't really think January was gonna be an easy month. And yeah, because of the second position on Nasdaq, I missed longs on gold. Uh, Gold and silver were super weak. Gold had left these equal highs without retesting this hourly gap, and I know we just tested the daily, so I was waiting for 10 o'clock to form a reversal. I originally wanted to see silver take out these equal lows and head higher. I did not take that short. And yeah, so 15-minute hourly sweep, drop down to the 1 minute. 1 minute breaker, aim for the equal highs or the hourly gap. But nope, my dumbass had to go and take a stupid short. So anyway, I'm probably sitting out tomorrow because it's the day before NFP. And I will see y'all Friday.